Hello, and welcome to our video on the science of intermittent fasting and how it can help you lose weight. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of intermittent fasting, how it works, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. First, let's talk about what intermittent fasting is. In simple terms, it's a pattern of eating where you alternate periods of eating with periods of not eating. This can be done in a variety of ways, such as eating for 8 hours and fasting for 16 hours, or eating one meal a day and fasting for the rest of the day. The key is to restrict calorie intake for a certain period of time. One of the main benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. When you fast, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. This means that your body is essentially burning stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Additionally, when you fast, your body also releases a hormone called ghrelin, which is known to suppress appetite, making it easier to stick to your calorie restriction. Another benefit of intermittent fasting is improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. When you eat frequently, your body is constantly producing insulin, which can lead to insulin resistance. This can increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. However, when you fast, your body produces less insulin, which can improve your insulin sensitivity and lower your risk of developing diabetes. Intermittent fasting also has anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a variety of diseases, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can decrease inflammation in the body, which can help reduce the risk of these diseases. So how do you start incorporating intermittent fasting into your daily routine? One of the most popular methods is the 16:8 method, where you eat